2 pins to hold it in place. See it coming to life already. Oh, there you go. Called Eternity, and I am in love with this hair. Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty by Chick. So today I wanted to showcase this wig, and yes, I'm doing this in vlog form, so don't hate, okay? And it looks like this, Eternity, and that is the number right there. And as you can see, today I'm wearing it different. I'm going to interject a couple of clips right here to show you how I've been wearing this wig over the past few weeks, because I've had it in my possession for about a month now. So look at that and get right back to me. Anywho, I've decided to try something different today. I try to pin it back in a particular style here, but you could see the curl forms that it comes in. The curls look like that, and that's how I've been basically wearing it. I actually wanted to get it into this color, the color that I have. It's got obviously some blonde in it, some burgundy, and dark, I don't know what that is, the black or whatever, but I wanted to get it in purple. Purple. I can't recall, who did I see wearing purple hair recently? Was it Vicky Logan? I'm not sure who. Anyways, I saw a few ladies wearing some, like a nice burgundy color, like a nice plum color, kind of like my shirt, and I thought, hey, it's kind of popping, and I wanted to try it, but this color was out. The color was out in this brand. But anyways, to the deets. The hair itself is soft. Clearly it's synthetic, but it is good, guys. It's easy to run your finger through. Like I said, this is probably week 4 that I've had it. And, oh, I think I just dragged my hairpin out. Yeah, this is week 4, and it holds up pretty well. I've yet to run a brush through it, really. I use my fingers to finger comb it. I have also not placed any kind of spray or spritz or gel or anything in the hair because I like it the way it looks. It holds. I find that it holds and keeps longer when you put little to no product in it. Oh, that thing. It's okay. It's okay. I find that it holds longer when you put little to no product in it. It just lasts longer, and the whole hair does not get like goopy and jelly or whatever, and you have to go and wash it immediately. So I really like it. I take care of it, guys, because I love the waves and stuff in it. It's kind of like a wave from like a curl wand. I am not one to be curling my hair on any given day. That's just not me. I don't have time for it. So I like something like this that's natural and easy. Trying to shift y'all to the light. That's why I did this in the light. I like this because it's just natural and easy to maintain. I love the little highlighted streaks in it. Didn't think I would like this shade and this color, but I do really like it. The hair itself is nice. It feels full. However, sometimes I feel like when you're wearing it down, like right now it looks fuller because I have gone ahead and pinned this back here. So I'm going to take it down. I'm going to take it down from my pin situation, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. I used actual 2 pins to hold it in place. 2 or 3. You can see it coming to life already. Ah! Oh, there you go. So this is the hair itself, guys. This is what it looks like. It is called Eternity, and I am in love with this hair. It's easy. It comes straight out of the box. It just lays like this to the side of your hair. It comes on a, it has a part right there. Clearly, it's not on a lace front by any means, but because of the way it's designed, it's easy to look natural, which I really, really like. Because of the way it's designed, it's easy to look natural. It doesn't look, I don't know, jaggedy or rough or whatever. I think it would look even more natural if it was in black as well. Secondly, it has like 1 pin here at the front and no pins at the sides, which is a little different because it's right here. But that's how it is. I actually don't use them, so I'm good. I just wear my cap underneath, and if I want to do a different style like you just saw, I just use pins to hold it back. I like that it has those little tabs. These tabs that it has, they're kind of like little loops, and they do help me to just position the wig properly. I know when it's aligned to the sides of my ear that it's in the right spot. But that is it. I didn't want to make this a long video, dragged out video. I just wanted to showcase to you what this hair looks like. Yeah. So this is a cool hairstyle that will be popping for the summer. It just looks nice and fly. Stay-at-home style, stay-at-home mom style. You know, I'm a stay-at-home mom, guys. So anytime I can get myself looking popping without having to do the most, I'm pretty ecstatic, right? Because you know that mom life is for real stressful, and it can be just hard to have yourself looking put together. Sorry the video cut off abruptly, guys, but thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this review. Much love.